my name is Teacher Aka and I hope everyone is doing great. Okay, before we start with our topic, let's all sing a song together. Are you ready? Let's go!
The ducks on the farm say quack, quack, quack. The mice on the farm say squeak, squeak, squeak. The chickens on the farm say cluck, cluck, cluck. Quack, squeak, cluck.
Alright, we have learned about farm animals, right? What are farm animals? Animals that live in a farm, right? Not in the jungle or in the forest, but animals that we rear in the farm, okay? For example, animals like cow, horse, sheep, chicken, duck, right? Or even dog, different kinds of animals, okay? So these animals are very helpful to us, okay? They can be used for transportation, like horse, and they can be used for food and even our clothes, okay? So we will start with the uses of farm animals. What are the uses? Okay, so we will start with the uses of farm animals for food, okay? Do you know when you eat KFC, right? The fried chicken, do you know where it comes from? What animal gives us fried chicken? Think. Yes, hen, okay? We get chicken, egg from hen. So we can make different food out of egg, like we can make an omelette, sunny side up, or scrambled egg, very yummy, right? And also chicken, fried chicken, I like it. And the next is cow. Cow gives us what kind of food? Do you like steak? I like it, right? Cow gives us meat. Like we can make steak, okay? And cow also gives us milk. Do you like milk? I like milk. And butter. We also get from the cow, okay? Because milk can make butter, right? So milk, meat, steak, butter, everything comes from the cow. The cow gives us, okay? And we can also get clothes from animals, okay? So the leather and the wool that we use, it comes from farm animals. Do you wear sweater? In winter, it's cold. We need wool, right? Wool. Wool comes from the sheep. The sheep gives us wool. And from wool, we can make sweater, gloves, hat, right? Different kinds of clothes we can make. And do you carry a bag? Do you wear a shoe? Do you use a belt? Yes, everything comes from the farm animals. So it's made out of leather. So the farm animals gives us leather, and from leather we can make shoe, belt, bag, and different kinds of items, okay? Animals, farm animals are very helpful and great. Okay, now do you remember the baby animals that we have learned? The farm animals, baby animals? Let's start with a baby horse. What is a baby horse called? Remember? Correct, it's a foal. Okay, a foal is a baby horse. And next, what is a baby goat? What is it? Correct, it's kid. A kid is a baby goat. And what is a baby cow? Yes, it's a calf. A calf is a baby cow. All right, we have learned almost everything about farm animals, right? Very interesting. Now we will do a work, okay? So I want all of you to open your book to page number 15, okay? This one, page number 15. So you look at the first one. You can see a cow, right? What is this? A cow. So what food does cow gives us? Let's see. So in the picture, there is meat, eggs, and milk and butter, okay? So you have to circle which food cow gives. Egg? No. So you have to circle here meat and milk and butter. Very easy. And the next one is sheep, a farm animal here, sheep. Okay, so we get clothes from sheep, okay, wool. So what are the clothes that are made out of wool? Let's see here. Is it a belt? No, this is leather, right? Skin, not wool, no. So gloves, wool, yes. You have to color this, color, okay? Sweater, yes. Color this. Hat, yes. Color it, okay? Wool. Okay, now page number 16, okay? So you can see here baby animals. Now, which one? There are three, right? So which one is a baby goat, a young goat? Which one here? 1, 2, 3. Okay, so you have to circle this one, kid, a young goat. Okay, and the next one is here, hen and cow. Hen and cow, farm animals. Okay, they give different food. So you have to draw a line and match the correct food. So here, hen give us egg. Draw a line. And chicken. Okay, and cow give us milk and meat. Okay, kids, that's all for today, and I hope you enjoyed our class. I'll see you in the next class. Bye bye.